most dangerous. We're going to stabilize these activation crystals in kind of an artificial mechanical way, since we are not force sensitive. And I'm going to ask you all to please step back away from the workstation. And those of you who chose the red crystal, step way back away from the workstation. What's happening?
Many parts over now. Joined they are. Yes. Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time. Time to take the first step. To forge the bond between Saber and Builder. Builders, on my command, you will walk to the table, gently place your saber-wielding hand on the hilt, and then together, we will activate. So if you are ready, step forward. Gently place your hand on the hilt and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You've done it. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a single spark. Builders, you may deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, we are pleased to offer you a protective saber sheath. This has the added advantage of keeping these weapons from the eyes of the First Order. Our time, sadly, is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Remember, you are just as extraordinary as the weapon you've just built. So time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be telling your story in this little shop on the edge of the galaxy. To the spire!
To the spire!